It's a 2018 Mazda CX-5. Imagine what it will be like to go from dreading your drive to anticipating it. What you've imagined is driving the CX-5. The cabin is built for both enjoyment and rejuvenation, with Mazda Connect infotainment system, touchscreen display, and Bluetooth. The rear-view camera, smart city brake support, and 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine offer convenience, safety, and efficiency. This CX-5 elevates your drive in every way. Experience it today. Here's a 2018 Mazda CX-5. Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion design language makes it clear this isn't just a crossover to help you get things done. It's a statement of beauty. The LED headlights and roof spoiler contribute to its good looks, but it's the 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine's performance that truly shines. Inside, the beauty of the cabin is its comfort, only enhanced by features like Mazda Connect infotainment system, touchscreen display, and Bluetooth. The next step in your driving evolution awaits in this CX-5. Test drive it today.